Creating Hostinger business email is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open hostinger.com in Google Chrome. Hostinger will look like this. See how wide website is. Go to login. Enter your valid email and password to login. Wait a minute. There is loading. So, website is logged properly. Hostinger has many pages like home, website, hosting, emails, domains, VPS, etc. Here we can make websites in WordPress, earn free hosting, create many emails here. First one is free. After this you can create email after paying. Now let's start our main project. Click on emails page on header to create a business email. sarg@herein.com email is already created. Click on manage button on it. It will bring another page. All the emails are there which you created for your business. Move to the create new email option on upper right corner. Create your new email account here. First enter your email. You can also enter your name only because sometime it create problem with email. Fill the password blank with unique 8 words. At the end you must give your recovery email so in any critical situation we can use it. Click create new account button. Next page will show that you have created email successfully. Check your email and password thoroughly and make it correct. Go down and click done. Our process is complete. You can see how easily and with few steps you have done your work. In this way, you can set up business email in Hostinger.